This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Glenn Allen Shaw. This spacious home offers an innovative floor plan which is adaptable to the changing needs of the owners. This rarely available Encinitas 2-story home provides 2,260 square feet, 4 bedrooms, and 3.5 baths. It provides a wonderfully flexible range of options for the new owners. While the primary bedroom is conveniently located on the ground floor, one of the 3 bedrooms upstairs could easily serve as a second primary bedroom. The other 2 upstairs bedrooms could be used as 1, or even 2, home offices, if needed for that purpose. The upstairs gathering area is an additional, adaptable and spacious living/flex/ or media room. Impact-rated windows provide no maintenance, storm prep and insurance cost reduction. Low monthly fees include both master and neighborhood homeowner associations, plus basic Comcast cable. A list of upgrades chosen when this home was built, and their value, is attached. Silverwood includes use of the Maple Ridge clubhouse and pool, walking trails and bike paths, and is conveniently located near shopping, dining, and recreational activities. For more information, review the details below or contact Glenn Allen Shaw at 954-693-0100.